What's up? It's your main man, Really Bros. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like icon, share, and also comment on this page. Today, got a good one for you today. I had to get something added to the 392 today, you dig what I'm saying? So, I'm about to get myself together. Well, I'm pretty much already together, but I'm about to get the car, get together, and get on up out of here so we can go ahead and get this thing started. Probably take a couple hours to get it done, but you know what I mean? Good things are definitely worth the wait. So y'all stay tuned. I'll take y'all with me on this ride. What's up? It's your main man, Really Rails. Hey, at the spot, you can see, you see some speakers and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So, trying to get add a little music to the car today. So I'm here at Soundwaves in Bartlett, Tennessee. I think it's Bartlett, Cordova, one of them. It's like on the edge. So come in here and get some stuff done. I'll let you see a little what they got going on. I think this is the setup that I want to go with right here. 2 JLs, drop them in the trunk. Not sure what type of amp I'm going with, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna just wait and talk to the guy and see if we can get everything set up. So I'm gonna get a little bump in the trunk, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna get back with you guys as soon as I find out what we're gonna do. Work is being done.
It's been busy.
Yeah, that means work is being done. You know what I mean?
Man, we got a full.
How you doing, man? All right. Okay. Oh yeah, love that. Cutlass. Yes, sir. Good. I didn't know y'all shop, but it's big back here actually.
We got you over here.
All right. Yes, sir. Okay, amp install.
Nice, neat, clean.
Yes, sir. That's what it's all about. Clean work. You know what I mean? So y'all got what's that? An Escalade? Yeah. Oh, that's the one you was talking about with the 4.
The big system.
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy right there.
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah.
He's over there working on the panel on it now.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, that's gonna really hit.
Yeah.
On that, they do the dynamatting. I mean the insulation in there.
Not yet. That's next on his list.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
He had to do it in the steps this time.
Yeah. That's a nice setup. Absolutely.
And we got upholstery going on.
Is it custom upholstery or?
This is just redoing a headliner. But he does all of our custom interiors.
Okay, gotcha. So I didn't, to be honest with you, I just thought that you guys were, audio. I didn't know you guys did all of the.
We do a little bit of everything.
Okay, cool. That's good. So I definitely, like I said, we're gonna go with the alarm system next, and then the custom enclosure or whatnot. But now knowing that you guys, do a lot more, I definitely.
Leather. I mean, Brian does custom upholstery. I mean, he will build you seats.
Whatever it is, huh?
Yeah, that's the type of stuff Brian can do.
Gotcha. That's nice, man.
Whatever your guy, your followers, and look for.
Yeah. Absolutely, guys. Yeah, as y'all see, man, they do everything in here from audio installation, custom upholsteries, anything you want to get done, you know what I mean, to your vehicles. They do tint, protection films, everything. So, I mean, clean shop back here, the guys are putting in work. They got all different types of cars, from old school, new, your regular basic cars. See a boat behind me back there. So if you need any marine speakers or marine setup, definitely come check the guys out here at Soundwaves. Right off of 64 Stage Road. So I'll make sure that I put their address in the description below, so you can definitely check them out, check their website and so forth and so on. But as you can see, they're working on me right now, getting me set up here. So I mean, like I said, you look in the back, you see so far they got the amp installed. It's a clean, clean installation process going on back there. you know. So I'm definitely excited to see the outcome on this. You know what I mean? So just a little bit longer, and they're gonna have everything set up. We'll be rocking and rolling, you know. But major shout out to the guys here at Soundwaves. Definitely check them out for anything that you need when it comes to audio installation. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna continue to, you know, let this process go on, and once everything get done, you know, I'll definitely come back to you guys so you can definitely check it out. Yeah. I'm not sure about the response behind that, you know.
What do you want? This is where we're trying to.
Oh, the bass knob, okay.
Down low, there's a spot
See what you got.
your dash here.
Uh-huh.
There's a lip down here.
Okay.
That I can screw to.
Uh-huh.
But I didn't know if you wanted it angled like towards you, easy for you to get to, or coming straight down.
It'd probably be which way would probably be more accessible? Would it be
Accessible would probably be more out toward you.
Yeah. So that'd probably be the best way to go ahead and do it like that. You know what I mean? It's not cause like turn it up the other way you had it.
Yeah, because it would be coming straight down.
So
you got a little bit more reach, but it's a little more hidden.
Yeah. That's what let's go with it like that, a little bit more discreet. Yeah. I like that setup right there.
For you.
I definitely appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Appreciate you get me taken care of. All right, guys. So they just got finished up here at Soundwaves. I'm about to go to the car and check it out now and see what it sounds like. So I was just looking at something underneath the car. I'm not sure what that is. Probably random or something or whatnot. But about to see what it sounds like. I'm pretty sure it sounds pretty good. So let's go ahead and get in here, check it out. And hopefully don't get too, you know, copyrighted, nothing like that. So we're gonna see. First we're gonna check out the setup. Yeah, we'll check out the setup. So this is the setup right here. Excuse my microfiber rags, I got to get those out. But that is the JL setup right there, sitting there. I got something else that I'm gonna do extra to accentuate the trunk, and I'll let you guys see that once I do that. But let's see what it sounds like.